Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's time to do our October Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And this is the club that ships at the middle of the month and is Scripture themed. This is a really cool set. I have to tell y'all, we worked really, really hard on this set. I think you're going to love it. It's been a long time coming for my collection. It's one that you really, really need in your collection. And I think you're going to love it. And I just like to stall and make you wait. No, actually, I do want to say one more thing. We have a winner from last month where we did our contest to win a $50 gift card, which will be happening again. Just hold on. To win a $50 gift card. So that winner's name will be in the description of this video, and we will already have emailed you. But because I'm filming today before the contest officially ends, I just wanted to let you know, and we'll put your name in the description. So good luck to our winner, whoever they may have been, and good luck to you guys in the future. I'll talk about the contest at the end. All right, ready for this? I'm excited. I know you're ready. You're like, come on, Maymay. Check it out. Now, it looks really cute on the packaging, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the packaging out of the way and put this onto white paper so you can see it. Look at this stamp set. I'm in love. I cannot tell you how long we just labored and labored over exactly where the wording was going to go and exactly how we were putting everything together. And I love how it turned out. So here's what you get. You obviously get a hillside or land or a mountain or dirt, whatever you want this to be. And then you get a nativity scene. It's a builder, a nativity builder. And this set is actually called Still He Came. And I bet you're already asking, can I get it if I'm not in the club? You sure can. Any that are left over from our club mailing will be in the store, and you can pick those up at regular price, not being a club member. Okay, so what do they say at the top? Emmanuel, God with us. Here, the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, John 1:14. And then this one, the Messiah has come. How gorgeous, right? Then probably my favorite, and I'll tell you why. I like to tell you guys the story behind some stamp sets. So we had this space that we wanted to put just the right saying, just the right scripture, just the right sentiment in, because I don't play around with my Jesus. Y'all know this, right? I love him, and I want to be very honorable of him in everything that I do. And so I can't even tell you how many prayers went up. So I prayed and prayed and prayed about what went here and how to make this nativity set mean something more than just a nativity builder. Although that in and of itself is very important. So one morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning, I woke up and this was in my head, Still He Came. And I've heard that before. I didn't coin that phrase. I've heard it before, but I kept thinking, what goes with that? And so I've been asking God to give me the words he wanted me to say. And I truly believe this is what he gave me. So I'm going to read this to you. At the top, it says, no room for him in the inn, no crown to adorn him, the cross before him, still he came. And I just love that. And I appreciate that God gave me that so much. And then we finish that off with, may his spirit fill your heart and home this Christmas season. So you can mix these together. This one can go on the inside of your cards with any of these sentiments, but I love it. Now I challenge myself something else. I've wanted to do this forever. I've never done it before. I've probably done it in some sort, but never gotten every single stamp completed. But I challenge myself to make one sample for you guys using every single stamp from this set. I think that's a cool challenge. I would challenge you guys to try to do the same. Just copy mine if you want to. That'll be fine with me. So here's my sample. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. I'm so excited. By the way, I didn't run through here. You get a tiny star. This is a shepherd. This is Mary. Nope, I take that back. This is Joseph and this is Mary. They're here together, okay? This is your star or your large star. This is a donkey. Here's 3 wise men. Here's a little sheep. This is a shepherd. And then this is your little city of Bethlehem. Baby Jesus right here. And y'all, baby Jesus is so cute. His little feet are kicking up in the air. And then the manger, or actually the stable. He's in the manger. That's the stable. So there is your set. And let's look at my sample. You can tell I'm excited because I'm all over the place. Okay, I painstakingly, I even challenged myself to this. I decided, how many times do you see nativity scenes done in blue and black and things like that? And they're beautiful. But I thought, I want to do it in my colors, what I love. And I challenge you to do the same. If you're a purple and pink person, try that. If you're a yellow and blue person, try that. I am a red and black person. So here's what I did. This is the front. It says, the Messiah has come. I used the large star here, the 3 wise men, the city, and the hillside. This is done in white embossing, these pieces on the red, and this is stamped with black VersaFine Onyx Black, which is gorgeous, right? And this beautiful bling right here, this is Christopher's glitter cardstock, just strips of it laid there. And then you open it up to this. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. And here we have the still he came sentiment, the shepherd and the sheep, going to the city, the star again, and then we get to the stable. And this is where we find baby Jesus with Mary and Joseph, a little donkey sitting beside the tiny star because we're there now, right? That made sense to me. And then you can see I used Emmanuel, God with us, here. I used the still he came here, the Messiah here, and I also used may his spirit fill your heart and home this Christmas season here. But you're thinking, yeah, but that's not all of them. There was one you didn't get. Well, I did. I thought I wasn't going to reach my challenge, but on the back, I did it. I thought this looked really, really pretty here, and it was a really nice way to finish off my card. So how about that? I was able to use every single stamp from that stamp set on this one card, and it was super cool. I will also tell you, it was time consuming because each one of these is basically a card front, right? So I had to emboss and stamp and emboss each one of these. So it is a time consuming card, but it's a lot of big payoff when you get it done. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I'm going to open it back up. So there you go. That's the sample I made for you. I hope you enjoyed that challenge that I gave to myself. And now I'm going to challenge you with a contest. You know, I love to see what you guys are making with the stamp sets that we create. So we have a gallery on our website. It's called our customer gallery, where you can post pictures of what you're creating using stamp sets. So as a club member, one of the things we do, which has kind of become another benefit, we do this pretty much every time we release a set, is you can win a $50 gift card by making projects using the stamp set and posting them to our customer gallery. That's all you got to do. And if you use the project and you post a picture, that's your entry. So this week or this month's winner will be in the description below, and I'll be sure to email you to let you know that you've won as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. And you asked me to film a video explaining the club. I will be doing that and posting that really soon. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.